You searched how to buy shares of Generation Income Properties, Inc. Generation Income Properties is a real estate company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GIPR, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will usually need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker GIPR to find the listing. Make sure you select Generation Income Properties, Inc. on NASDAQ as the correct asset. Open the asset page to view basic company details and the price chart. Confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. To place an order, tap Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, then review and confirm your order before submitting. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio and you can monitor it there. A link to eToro is available in the video description if you want to learn more.